Click-Dent is proud to present the latest innovation in implant overdentures, digital telemagnetic abutments. All abutments feature perfectly parallel telescopic walls, passive seating on a gingival shoulder, and a powerful magnet. These innovative telescopic magnetic abutments are individually designed for implants at any angle or depth. This ensures that the magnetic components remain parallel, creating a single path of insertion for the restoration, even in cases with extreme implant angles. By combining telescopic parallelism with magnetic grip, any dentist can now provide a simple, efficient restoration that offers strong retention and easy retrievability. Telemagnetic abutments are easy to install and suitable for both the upper and lower jaws. They provide your patients with optimal function, improved hygiene, zero maintenance, and peace of mind. Visit our website at click-dent.com to find out more.